there shall be no peace, or there will be no peace for the wicked. If you have someone that has been tormenting you for years, or that says your position that is duly for you, that you are not going to be on that position because they feel that they are stronger than you spiritually. Now I want you to watch this video to the end. If there is a position that you are meant to be in your office, but because of one thing or the other, they have denied you of that position and then give it to someone that is not due for it, you have to watch this video. You have to watch this to the end to take what rightfully belongs to you back. Or you have the wicked people surrounding you. They will not allow you to drink water and keep the cup. You have to watch this video to the end. Hello guys, welcome back again in another exciting video. I am here to talk about how you can take what rightfully belongs to you by fire, by force, by fire, by thunder. If today is your first time of meeting me or maybe jamming this channel, you're highly welcome. In this channel, it is a spiritual practical channel where you are taught on how to do things by your hand practically to take your rightful position back to you, to take your glory back to you. You are highly welcome. And to my OGs, thank you for always coming back. Thank you for always supporting. May God Almighty bless you. And you have been watching me for years. You haven't subscribed to my channel. What are you waiting for? Please, after watching this video, make sure that you like this video, subscribe, and also share this video to your loved ones. If there is anything that is difficult for you to get in this life, and you know fully well within yourself that it is a human being that God created that is responsible for what you are going through, that is responsible for your predicament, responsible for your setbacks, that are responsible for that position that you are meant to be, but because of that strange person, because of that strong woman or man, they are not allowing you to be in that position. This video is for you. Like I said, in this year is a year for all my subscribers, viewers, customers to take what rightfully belongs to them. It is a year where if you have not gotten a car, and if you are watching a video that comes from this channel, you will get your own car. If you're not building your own house, since you're a subscriber or customer, you are going to build your own house. If you're not getting your land, or maybe there is this position that you are aiming to be, whether government office or any office that you are aiming to have, since you are a subscriber or a customer or a viewer, you will have it by fire, by thunder this year, whether the level like it or not. And most of us say that we are not going to see the end of this year, or we show me gaba. So I am here to talk about how you can forcefully take what rightfully belongs to you back. Is it your marriage that they have taken away from you for a very long time? And in your marriage, you are not enjoying your marriage. Your husband is not giving you attention. So many things going on in your marriage. Is it your job? You have lost your job because of one thing or because of that strange people, of that wicked spiritual people. Rejoice. After watching this video, you are going to recover that job by fire, by thunder. Or maybe they nailed you somewhere and declare a war on your head and said, you see, Emeka, you will not progress. You will remain here forever. Let them know that today God is setting you free through the channel. If there is a position that you want to, in fact, it is duly for you to get, because of forces surrounding you, coming from your father's house, coming from friends, coming from environments, they took away that position from you and they give it to another person. After watching this video, after practicing what I'm about to tell you right now, that position will be given back to you, and you'll be in that position. You'll be the one to be in that position, not the other way around. Understand what I'm saying? Now, to do this particular assignment and to liberate yourself, to set yourself free, free. This is what you need to do. You need to pay attention to this video. Please pay attention, because it's a highly spiritual video. And if you cannot, in a case whereby you cannot do it, let us know. We'll help you and do it. Do not say what they are doing is not working. My brother and sister, it is working. It is. If you know what is happening in the spiritual realm, you know that there's nothing happening in the physical realm. There's nothing happening. There's nothing happening. Like I always say, the spiritual control the physical. A lot is going on in the spiritual realm. I wish God would open your eyes and you will see what I'm talking about. Now, to take back your rightful position by fire, by force, to take back your glory that you have stolen, to destroy your enemy, never to attack you, never to near you in this life. This is what you need to do. There shall be no peace for the wicked. I am not the one that said it. It is not Anu that said it. It is written in the Bible. Oh yes. Now, to do that, if you have wicked people surrounding you, your family, they don't want you to drink water and keep the cup, don't want you to have peace, your mind don't want you to have peace at the place of work, even your health, they are giving you headache in your health. You don't have good health. You're always complaining of movement of the body. You're always complaining of strange objects. You're always complaining of headache, arthritis, waist pain, so many sickness. You are not yet at the age of diagnosis, diabetes, and yet you are suffering from diabetes. You are not at the age of suffering, what is it called? So many things, and yet you are suffering it. That is the handwork of your enemy in your body. Now, if you want them to free you, if you want to destroy them, never to attack you again, and if you want to free yourself, this is what you need to do. Number one ingredient, which we are going to be making use of, is what? Nail. This is nail. This is nail. You need 3 powerful nail, long new nail, like this. You need it. This is, I think this is 6 inches. Now you need it 3. Then you need a live snail. I don't have a snail at this moment. You need a live big snail. When you get it, you are going to be doing this prayer at midnight, around the hour of 12 o'clock dots. When you wake up from your sleep, you make a prayer concerning what you are going through. You said, any man or woman that has been troubling you, going to evil places because of you, consulting people that do not even need to consult, because of your health, because of your progress, because of your marriage, just to make sure that you suffer in that marriage, that today, that you are doing what? You are commanding them to be still, that let them be still. You made that prayer, you use nail, and then put at the mouth of this nail, okay? You pin it, that let them stay one place. Let them never see road to attack you, or to, in fact, let their leg cripple, let their hand cripple, let all their body cripple, so that they will not have anything to say. They want to stand up and go and do you anything. You nail it at the nail eyes. That is number one. You make the second prayer. You nail it. That's let them be still. You make the third prayer. You nail it. Let them be still, and let them die. Never forget to use the word die. And it shall be so. After making that prayer, what do you need to do? Go and get me a black bowl. A black bowl. Take this now outside. Cover it. Use big stone to place on the bucket. Remember, the nail the snail will be on the ground like this, and you use black bucket to cover it, and then at the top of that bucket, use what? Use big stone to place that, so that they will not have peace. Anywhere they are, their body will be hurting them. Anywhere they are, all their body will be preparing them. Anywhere they are, they will not have peace. In fact, they will not even see the light of the day. They will not see road. What they will be seeing is darkness. There shall be no peace for the wicked. That is the topic of this particular assignment. After making that prayer, relax and see how God is going to cripple your enemy, and see how God is going to do what? Destroy your enemy. But in a case whereby You are the person that they nail. You are the person that they nail. They use nail and they nail you. It's simple. It's simple. Get the snail, get the new nail, put it like the way I just instructed earlier, and then you're going to be saying, by the power bestowed on you, that you are declaring yourself free from any bondage, from any bottle, from any obstacle, from any pot, anywhere they have hid, but anywhere they have covered you, anywhere they have nailed you. Have they nailed you on the tree? Have they nailed you on the road? Anywhere they have nailed you, that today, that by the power bestowed on you, that you are declaring yourself free. You know what? After making that prayer, you should make that prayer at the same hour of 12 o'clock. You do what? You use force. You remove the nail. You remove the second one, and then you remove the third one. And spiritually, you are free. At that moment, if you have a spiritual eye, you will notice that God has, from this particular assignment, released you from anywhere they have nailed you. I don't know if you are getting me. Now, let me say this. If you are an evil person and you're watching this video, and you feel that after making this video, you can remove yourself, maybe somebody that you have done something wrong, mistakenly jammed this video, and you feel that you can remove yourself, you cannot remove yourself. That mark will be, in fact, you will suffer it for the rest of your life. That is why it says, there is no peace for the wicked. And trust me, there is no peace for the wicked. Where this particular one will work is when your hands are clean. And somebody, because of enviness and other things, went and nailed you on the tree, on the road, on any object, or even put you in the bottle. Maybe your hands are clean, you have not done anything. You are free. Once you are through bringing yourself up from the nail, you are free. All right? So guys, it is a very spiritual, powerful assignment that you can't wait to try and see God in action. All right? So my beloved, that is just the end of this video. In case you want to order for our products, we have a lot of products that you will need. You understand? That you don't go and start doing something that will take your life, or something that you will regret tomorrow in this life. Remember, life is too short. All right? So you have to live uprightly. You have to do what is right so that your life will remain for you. Okay? And you will have peace. When you're having money, you have money that will give you peace. And not that you cannot be able to eat tomorrow, it will become in fact a trouble to you. All right, guys, that is just the end of this video for today. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking. Please, after watching this video, give this video a thumbs up, like, share this video, leave your comment in the comment section. See you on my next episode. To have a lovely day. Bye.